Snap.
Snap.
Ajde, sa prsti isto.
Snap. Snap.
Ajde, ovdje, ready? 1, 2, 3, snap. He's so shy. One week, 3 women, 3 different emails, the same statement. He doesn't want to massage me. He doesn't want to be massaged. This is a sad video. I'd be angry too. We try and make the relationship more interesting, but now I just feel rejected. Hang on, wait a minute. What if he's not rejecting you and he's just worried that he's not going to be able to give you a good enough massage experience? Or he could be stressed, you know, work could be kicking his butt. He could have a whole bunch of stuff on his mind that's taking priority right now and doesn't realize that massage is a great way to chill out and relax. Tell you what, I got these 4 simple steps that you can follow tonight. It takes less than 2 minutes. It should be able to change things around for you. So guys, these are wild horses. There's like 800 of these. I left the DSLR. I left the big camera at home. Oh, it's a little baby foal. Oh, they're little kids still. Oh, in the middle of the road. Look at this. Go on. Oh, look at him. Oh, we got you. We're not going to run you over. Look, guys. Going nice. Oh, isn't that adorable? Step 1, don't give him an option to say no. It's really easy to say no to new experiences, so let's not give him an opportunity to say no. Imagine this, you're at home tonight watching TV together, commercial break comes on, get him to sit between your legs and give him a 45-second scalp massage. Don't tell him what you're about to do, just say, hey babe, can you come sit between my legs? I want to practice something on you. And if he kind of like asks you, what are you doing? What's on your mind? Just say, listen, by the time I explain it to you, it'll be done. So just come here, sit down, let me practice something. I promise you're going to love it. Step 2, positive reinforcement. During your 45-second scalp massage, look for moments where he drops his shoulders or tilts his head, or he might become vocal and give you ums and ahs. If you get these responses, you've already won. Like, this is the positive feedback that you want to create, and you want to bring some attention to that. Now, if he's not giving you any responses, hunt for them. Ask him, am I in the right place? Does this feel good? Should I go lower or higher? Get into a dialogue with you, and this will promote that positive feeling. I do this in private practice often to help reinforce that happy, good feeling that massage creates. Step number 3, time to swap over. You're getting a massage. Now it's your turn to receive a massage from him, a scalp massage. It's only going to take 45 seconds and all he has to do is copy what you did. The one thing that he needs to focus on is to just keep it slow. He doesn't need to look at any of my techniques or any of my videos. At this stage, that might be a little bit overwhelming. Step number 4, and this is the most important step. It's positive reinforcement again, but this time you have to become his biggest cheerleader. By far the most important step. When he's giving you that scalp massage, make sure that it's all positive. Any hint of negativity at this stage, even constructive criticism, may kill all your chances of future back rubs. So So make sure it's positive. Even if he's not doing a great job, don't worry, he'll get better. And the learning curve is really fast in the beginning. Be specific with your responses as well. Oh babe, that is amazing. That what you're doing right now, don't stop, keep doing that. This positivity is going to make him want to massage you more in the future. It also validates that he's doing a good job, and it wasn't that difficult to do a good job as well. It's super smart. What we're trying to do is just build the confidence with his hands. The more confident he becomes with his hands, the less resistance you're going to have when you say, hey, let's share a back rub. So you've given him a 45-second scalp massage, he's given you one, you both had a fun experience, and you're both chatting about maybe doing the entire back rub series. Fantastic. But what if he's still on the fence? Don't present him with the entire masterclass. It'll be too overwhelming for him at this stage. I wouldn't even go any further than maybe getting the head massage videos and just practicing on him, not even asking him to give you a head massage. I promise, after 3-4 head massages that you could do over a few weeks, he will eventually turn around. Massage is kind of like this thing that once you start enjoying it and it feels good, you want to reciprocate to your partner. And the more that you massage him, the easier it becomes, in the sense that he goes, well, that wasn't really difficult. All we want to do is just start introducing him into small bite-sized chunks until he gets comfortable with the idea, until he sits there and goes, I can do this. That seems pretty easy. That's me. That's how I would deal with a partner that's not interested. Alright guys, go ahead, get your hands on each other. It's good for you. I'll see you in the next episode. Created a scalp massage video for you already. It's over here. Go check it out. Something you can do tonight. You don't need any oils. You don't even need some training. It's really, really simple. All you're doing is rubbing the scalp, going in slow, nice and deep. It feels so, so good. Go test it out, see what his reaction is. Remember, we're just slowly building up, educating him to know that it's really not that difficult to have a fun experience.